confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong.
What's up, guys? It's TWG here, and I'm back with Just Doing My Thing.
Yeah!
And go watch his vlog for my reaction to this trampoline. It's freaking awesome. And we're gonna do some trick shots and whatever.
Yeah.
Go watch his vlog. I don't know when he's gonna upload it, but yeah, I'll put it in
It should be by next week, cause I'm editing it while I'm doing it. Here, I know a cool trick to start out with.
What's up, guys? It's TWG here, and we're out there in this hiking trail. And we had some technical difficulties, so I'm kind of late in this vlog. But anyways, we're on this hiking trail with Elijah, and we got to this abandoned crashed car.
Hey, we sit right in there. There's probably like a bunch of freaking bees and shit. I'm going in.
Alright, go ahead.
Oh.
I'm gonna take a picture. You're actually... Alright, this is the... Huh? No, that's good, that was good.
Yeah, this impressed me, because it looks like I'm more in the car.
Alright, we're gonna keep on going.
My bike here?
Remember when I said that we're gonna do a reveal? I didn't say it in this vlog, but I was gonna do a reveal. Something I did. When you were taking a big old crap
Yeah.
in your bathroom.
I knew you did something, I just...
You're right.
No! No! Oh my god, no! Stop it! No! 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 Oh my god!
It was on your desk, and I was like putting my stuff away in your room, and I was like, oh dude, I gotta grab this.
Oh, dude. The cringe.
Cringe, yes.
Dude. I was actually planning, like, when I'm like a lot older, to actually like, oh!
Hold on.
Dude, there's gonna be plenty of those, trust me. Trust me. Hey, the river used to be right here. Cactus! I don't care. A lot of glass. This is gonna be a vending machine that we got the money out of.
Oh my...
The money was right in there.
Holy crap.
There's no money in there. Yep. I gotta take a picture for it somehow.
When you said abandoned bathroom, I didn't think you meant like this.
Yeah, man.
Holy! There's holes in the wall.
Yeah, dude. Of course there is.
I've never
There's
seen
bees
abandoned,
inside.
like, it's my first time seeing abandoned bathroom, so don't,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Alright, you wanna go check out the back room?
Bro, if somebody actually said this was haunted, that'd be like, I would actually be like scared.
This back here is where the bathroom is, where all the bees are, so let's go check it out.
Are you seriously?
Oh, dude, it's blocked.
Is it actually blocked?
Yeah, but Alright, I'm out. Yeah. Alright. No, I'm just gonna do this. Dude, I hear them.
What?
Shh, be really quiet.
It's birds.
No. Do you not hear the buzzing? Oh, wait, yeah. Like, no offense, but like, there is buzzing.
Bro.
Let's go, dude. Oh my god.
Are you actually scared? Why
No,
don't
we
you...
just gotta move on, because we don't have a lot of time, remember? Should we go to the other side?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Because,
My shoes are already ruined. But dude, there's water running everywhere.
dude, the other side, it has a place where you can climb up to like the street, pretty much, kind of.
Yeah?
But,
Let's try it.
you sure, dude? I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to get without being... Alright, let's just go. Dude, I don't think the water reaches all the way over. Alright, let's go, come on. Alright, walk to the side. So
This is something you would see in Outlast, just letting you know.
Alright, dude, I found.
But right, they're not gonna hear you because like you have the case on.
I actually found like. Okay, let's just call this good.
Okay.
Oh crap, don't.
Dude, let's turn around.
Dude, there's cement over there. I see it.
There's a pipe?
Alright, watch out. Alright, let's jump over to this side.
No, bro. I'm not doing.
Oh god, dude, I'm gonna leave.
Bro, I'm not doing this.
Alright, fine, let that go. My shoes are already doing.
Oh my god. Are you actually gonna do it?
Dude, we're sinking so much. Yeah.
Dude, I'm not doing it.
Alright, everyone.
I'm actually legit scared right now. So.
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
yes, you see it's hard.
Should I go?
Yeah, you should. Dude, there's no water over this house.
Okay, wait. How did you get through?
Alright, so you have to kind of go across to that one main spot. Trust me, if you.
Oh my god.
Walk this way, come on. This way.
Dude, I'm actually.
Alright, now just keep walking this way. And we can get the mud off our shoes up top.
Oh my god.
Dude, there's no water over here.
Oh, wait, okay. It just ended the water.
Bro.
Wait.
There's still kind of muddish. Alright, here we go. So,
Wait, I can't even see anything, bro.
right here. Right where I am is where it all ends. I'm not even sure if the GoPro is doing anything else.
Bro.
Alright,
Bro. What is that?
what? It's just a water stream. Calm down. Alright, we have to jump.
I thought that was a snake. Oh, dude, that looks like a snake.
What? Are you serious right now? What is it?
Wait.
It's just a river. Calm down.
No, dude, I thought I actually saw a snake.
Now, freaking speak loudly then. We're just getting more close. Alright, go to the right. Gotta head off to the right. Oh my god.
What?
This way. I'll go first. 1, 2. Yo. Dude, last time my shoe got this money. Alright, the echoing stopped. Oh crap, there's a ton of bees.
Dude, I actually feel like I'm seeing things.
There's a freaking tumbleweed. Now calm down. Alright, we don't have to go back if we climb up this way. Okay?
What?
Over there,
Yeah?
there's places we can climb up. You climb up
Well,
down.
how are we gonna reverse ourselves and get back
Because we
home?
can go over this.
You can?
Yeah, it's just a highway. Just keep going. Alright, good. Now we just gotta climb up this.
How?
You know what? I'm gonna drop this stuff here. I'm gonna get up there, and you're gonna hand me the crap, okay? Put everything, as much stuff as you can, into the into anything, like that one pack.
Hey, let's just start with the baseball bat.
All right? You can just throw that up there. Just
Yeah, dude, there's no way.
Dude, trust me. Just toss me the bat. And I can climb back down too.
Why don't you just climb back down then?
All right, then give me the bat first.
We're gonna go reverse our,
Give me the bat first, dude. I had it. We need something to document this.
Okay, I cut it, but I'm back on. Better not drop this.
Okay. So I'm gonna put this safely up here. Okay. Wait. All right, come on. Just like that. Okay. Okay. Just keep going. See, we made it up. I got pictures. Here's your camera. I set up the camera so we had a good angle and everything. I take a picture of the tunnel for the thumbnail. Alright, so this is actually really fun to vlog with. You mind if I use it for like a second? Just it's still for you. I'll hold the camera for you. I got a good angle of everything too, so like when I was handing up stuff, just see, I told you we could do it, bro. This is really actually fun to use, you know what I mean? But yeah, so we got everything up, everything back up here, everything, and there was a bunch of bugs there too. We were about to go up the other side, right over there, but instead, let me go to this side over here. We came up this way. Yeah, so definitely like and subscribe to JDMT1, to this channel that you're watching right now, because that was legit. And now we're in this type of we climbed up this and now we're in this type of neighborhood-ish. All we gotta do is cross that road to go to the other side. I did not think that this would end up how it did. I really hope we got good footage too. Yeah, usually I climb up that way. Okay, now you're joking. Now you're joking, dude. Now you're joking. You don't have to continue it. That was obviously you joking. Dude, I could tell a fake reaction from a real one because I've done fake reactions. And I've seen real reactions. Go on right now. Oh, where's it? Don't go. The lizard is gone. Yep. Crazy, huh?